Hello and welcome to Learn English Zone. If you want to speak English naturally, confidently, and like a native speaker, today's lesson is just for you. We're going to learn 20 essential daily English phrases that are super common and super useful in everyday conversations. These are the phrases real people use every day, not boring textbook phrases. So grab a notebook, repeat after me, and let's go. 20 daily English phrases you must know. Phrase 1. What's up? Meaning, an informal way to say, how are you, or what are you doing? Examples. Hey Tom, what's up? What's up, guys? Ready to go? I saw her today and said, what's up? But she ignored me. You look upset. What's up? Every time I meet James, he just says, what's up, and smiles. Dialogue. Hey Emily, what's up? Not much, just scrolling on my phone. You? Same here, kinda bored. Phrase 2. Long time no see. Meaning, used when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while. Examples. Hey Mike, long time no see. Wow, long time no see. You look different. Long time no see. Where have you been? It's really been a long time. I ran into my old teacher yesterday. Long time no see. Dialogue. A. Sarah, long time no see. B. Oh my God, Jake, it's been forever. A. Almost 3 years, right? Phrase 3. I'm just chilling. Meaning, relaxing or doing nothing serious. Examples. I'm just chilling on the couch. What are you doing? Just chilling with music. Saturday nights are for chilling. He was chilling at home all weekend. I don't want to go out. I'll chill here. Dialogue. A. Hey, what are you up to? B. I'm just chilling. You? A. Same. Want to watch something? Phrase 4. That's awesome. Meaning, that's great or amazing. Examples. You got the job? That's awesome. We're going to Italy next week. That's awesome. Your new haircut looks awesome. That movie was awesome. I passed the test. Awesome. Dialogue. A. I finally finished my English course. B. That's awesome. You work so hard. Phrase 5. Hang on a second. Meaning, wait for a short moment. Examples. Hang on a second. I'll grab my wallet. Can you hang on a sec? Someone's at the door. Just hang on. I'm almost done. Hang on. I didn't hear you. Hang on a second. Let me check. Dialogue. A. Let's go. B. Hang on a second. I need my keys. Phrase 6. No worries. Meaning, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Examples. Sorry I'm late. No worries. Thanks for helping. No worries at all. Don't worry. No worries. I got this. No worries if you can't come. She said no worries and left. Dialogue. A. I forgot to call you yesterday. B. No worries. I was busy too. Phrase 7. I'm starving. Meaning, very hungry. Examples. Let's eat. I'm starving. After work, I'm always starving. I didn't eat breakfast. I'm starving now. She said she was starving, so we ordered fast food. Are you hungry? I'm starving. Dialogue. A. What's for dinner? B. I don't know yet. Why? A. I'm starving. Phrase 8. I'm in. Meaning I agree, I want to join. Examples. Who wants to play a game? I'm in. Road trip this weekend. I'm in. I'm in if you are. Count me in. I heard about the plan. I'm totally in. Dialogue. A. We're going to try the new restaurant tonight. B. I'm in. I've heard it's great. Phrase 9. Fingers crossed, meaning hoping for good luck. Examples. I have a job interview today. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain. She's taking her driving test. Fingers crossed. Just submitted my application. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed for good news. Dialogue. A. Your test is today, right? B. Yeah, fingers crossed. Phrase 10. I messed up, meaning I made a mistake. Examples. I messed up my lines in the play. Sorry, I messed up the order. He really messed up the meeting. I messed up big time. We all mess up sometimes. Dialogue. A. How was the presentation? B. I messed up. I forgot half my slides. Phrase 11. I'm not sure, meaning I don't know for certain. Examples. I'm not sure where she lives now. Are we meeting today? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what he meant. I'm not sure if this is the right answer. I'm not sure I can help with that. Dialogue. A. Is the shop open today? B. I'm not sure. It's a holiday. Phrase 12. Let me think, meaning give me a moment to remember or decide. Examples. Let me think. I saw her last Monday. What's the capital of Canada? Let me think. Let me think before I answer. I forgot where I put it. Let me think. Let me think. Maybe around 3 p.m. Dialogue. A. What do you want for dinner? B. Let me think. Maybe pasta. Phrase 13. It depends, meaning the answer can change based on the situation. Examples. Will you go to the party? It depends. It depends on the weather. Sometimes I like coffee, but it depends. Are you free tomorrow? It depends what time. It depends how I feel. Dialogue. A. Are you coming on the trip? B. It depends. I might have work. Phrase 14. I can't believe it, meaning I'm very surprised, good or bad. Examples. I can't believe it. You won the prize. She failed? I can't believe it. I can't believe it's already 2025. I can't believe we made it. He lied? I can't believe it. Dialogue. A. Guess what? I got accepted to Harvard. B. No way. I can't believe it. That's amazing. Phrase 15. Are you kidding me? Meaning, are you joking? Is this real? Examples. $10 for a bottle of water? Are you kidding me? He said he's moving to Mars? Are you kidding me? You crashed the car? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? I just won $1,000. Are you? R. Dialogue. They canceled the flight again. B. What? Are you kidding me? Phrase 16. I'm on my way, meaning I'm coming or I'm going there now. Examples. I'm on my way. Be there soon. Don't worry, I'm on my way. She's on her way to school. I'm on my way to the office. I'm late, but I'm on my way. Dialogue. Where are you? B. I'm on my way. Just 5 more minutes. Phrase 17. That makes sense, meaning I understand or that's logical. Examples. Oh, now it makes sense. Your explanation makes sense. It didn't make sense at first, but now it does. That makes perfect sense. His decision really makes sense. Dialogue. She left early because of her baby. B. Oh, that makes sense now. Phrase 18. You never know, meaning Anything is possible. It might happen. Examples. You never know what could happen. You might win the lottery. You never know. Try asking him. You never know. The weather might change. You never know. You never know until you try. Dialogue. Do you think I have a chance? B. You never know. Go for it. Phrase 19. I got it. Meaning, I understand. I'll handle it. I caught it. Examples. You don't need to explain again. I got it. I got it. Thanks for your help. Don't worry. I got it covered. Oh, now I got it. I got the ball. Dialogue. A. Did you understand the question? B. Yeah, I got it now. Thanks. Phrase 20. I'm not feeling well. Meaning, I feel sick or tired. Examples. I'm not feeling well today. She went home early, not feeling well. I think I'm catching a cold. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, so I'll skip dinner. He's not feeling well. Dialogue. A. You look pale. Are you okay? B. I'm not feeling well. I think I need rest. At the end, great job, guys. Now you know 20 of the most common phrases in daily English conversations. Practice them, repeat after me, and try using them in real life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and come back tomorrow for more easy English with Learn English Zone.